We move to another example, that is Psv sizing. So if you remember, we have solved this example in session number 2. Remember the mixture of N-butane and propane, relieving temperature 167 degrees C. Okay, PRV set pressure 75. And in first example, the back pressure was 0 psig, meaning Psv outlet was open to atmosphere, and overpressure was 10%. Chirag, why overpressure will be 10%?
It's a block case, no?
Yeah, non-fire case and single PSV. So overpressure 10%.
Non-fire case and single case.
If it is non-fire case and multiple PSV, then 16%. For fire case, 21%.
21.
All right, so let us solve this example. Where is FluidFlow? Yeah. All right, so this is the one. So this will be available in the boundary. The third one, that is the vessel or accumulator. Then there is this PSV. It will be available in this relief devices. And this is the tank with known pressure. Okay, again the boundary. And these three items are connected by these two pipes, right? This 32 and then 33. So let us draw this. We'll go to the boundary. Then first one is the reservoir. Click. The next is relief device, PSV. Click. Then the last one is the boundary, known pressure. Click. Then go to pipe. So I'll use the steel pipe. So from vessel to PSV, from PSV to the tank. Okay, so this is the model we need to prepare. Once it is done, please write done in the chat box. All right. So you'll click on the selector in the vertical palette, then click on the vessel. So the surface pressure, your set pressure for the PSV is 75 psig. Overpressure is 10%, so 75 into 10%, so 7.5. So 75 plus 7.5 is 82.5 psig. So we'll just write that 82.5 pressure unit is psig. So the last one is psig. Temperature inlet is 167 degree Fahrenheit. And other things we can skip it. So let us finish this one. Fluid, it says water. We are going to change this later, but for now let it be water. Properties on flow sheet, alignment left. So here I want surface pressure and temperature I have given as input. So I'll check in input, pressure, surface pressure and temperature. So 2 items. All right. Once you complete this vessel part, then write C in the chat box.
Can you please repeat the parameters whichever we changed after the sketch is done?
Yeah, you click on one, that is the vessel. What is the surface pressure that I have typed with the unit? Yes, ma'am. Done?
No, sir. I have just started some line and it is moving everywhere.
You want to share your screen?
It's a pallet. It's always difficult to do this thing when you're not.
You need to connect that with the pipe. So from vessel it goes to the PSV, from PSV it goes to the tank. You have not selected the pipe yet. The flow is from the vessel to the PSV and then PSV to the tank.
So the flow is from PSV to tank.
Ma'am, this PSV is on the top of some vessel, right? So this gas is going to go from where? From the vessel to the PSV, right? And from PSV to this tank represents the PSV outlet condition. And this vessel, considers represents the PSV inlet flange condition, right? So we cannot just have PSV as standalone. So that's why we have to provide this vessel and this tank.
So I should delete this one and withdraw it.
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Just go to the tank, vessel, bottom. All right, so what is the surface pressure? 82.5. Ma'am, surface pressure. Elevation ke same. 82.5 PSIG. The last one, extreme. Go last. Yes. So temperature is 167 degree Fahrenheit.
Temperature.
All right, the fluid is not water, but we'll change it later. So if you go to properties on flow sheet, instead of hide, make it show. So what information we want? Surface pressure and temperature. So those are in input.
Sorry, can you go through that input information, please? For the vessel.
For?
The vessel, please.
Yeah, 82.5 PSIG.
That's pressure.
Yes, and temperature is 167 degree Fahrenheit.
Yeah, just hold on.
About the
Pressure.
About the temperature.
Pressure.
Is that stagnation pressure, sir?
No. I said surface pressure. That is input. You have typed it.
82.5. 82.5 watts.
PSIG. You can check this.
PSIG.
It's available there.
Yeah, it should be. It's available. PSIG is available. Yes. Temperature. What other information again, please?
167 Fahrenheit.
Yeah, I've done that.
Okay, the water.
Is that all?
No, fluid we are going to change from water to the gas mixture later. Okay, so for now we'll skip it. Go to the properties and get the temperature and surface pressure. Mr. Mark, please share your screen. We'll see that.
Okay.
Ma'am, that alignment we can make it on the right.
I see my screen now. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So we are here. Alignment, I'll make it to the right. So properties, I need to input. Okay, I don't want anything from the results. So surface pressure and temperature. So surface pressure is here, temperature is here. Click OK. So we are done. Now go to the next. This is the Psv inlet pipe. So this should be as less as possible length. 0.1 you can write. Length 0.1 meter.
Okay.
Okay, then nominal size you can put 4-inch schedule 40. 4-inch schedule 40. Then okay. The friction model is going to be moody only because this is not going to be water. Then go to PSV.
PSV.
The red thing on the flow
Yeah.
sheet. You already done that, sir. Click on that.
Okay.
All right. So set pressure is 75 psig. Set pressure 75 psig. PSIG.
Yeah.
Flow rate is 53,500 pound per hour.
53,500 pound per hour.
Pound per hour. And the discharge coefficient for vapor is 0.975. Discharge coefficient.
No, this thing is covering it. I want to remove it. The talk something is covering it. Okay. Discharge coefficient is what?
0.975.
Right.
And then properties on flow sheet,
Pressure.
that let it be 1. Properties on flow sheet, make it show.
Sure.
Alignment right. Then properties. Click on the properties. I want to know what is the calculated size for the PSV. Here.
Okay.
Calculated size and standard orifice size. Standard orifice size. Okay. Now let's talk about the outlet pipe, PSV outlet pipe. So this will be again 0.1 meter, 6-inch schedule 40.
6-inch.
Yeah, nominal size 6-inch.
6. Okay.
Schedule 40.
Okay.
Then finally the tank. So this tank represents the PSV outlet condition. So PSV outlet, what is the pressure? Okay, pressure model, you can keep it static pressure. Pressure model, static pressure. Right, and pressure will write 1 atmosphere is also 0 psig, but we'll use psig, so 0 psig. So that we'll have some consistency with units.
Okay. Temperature.
Then temperature will be calculated. Properties on flow sheet,
Okay.
again make it show. Show. Alignment right. And properties. So I would be interested in pressure and the temperature.
This property is okay.
And yes,
What?
so pressure is input and temperature is output result. So you can select temperature from result first.
Temperature.
Yeah, result temperature. Not
Oh,
everything,
sorry.
sir. Just select temperature. Expand result. Expand. Yeah. Uncheck. Just select temperature.
Temperature.
Third list. Then you
Yeah.
can expand input. expand input.
Mhm.
So there is pressure. Select pressure, click OK. That's it. Click OK. All right, please save your file. All right, please everybody tell me that you are completed till this. All right, now it is 5:27. At 5:37 we'll be back. Let us